How to redeem promo codes on Temu. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for temu.com. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, browse through Temu's offering and add desired items to your cart. When ready, go to your cart and initiate the checkout process. During payment, you will see the Enter Coupon Code text box. Go ahead and enter the promo code you have and tap on the Apply button, and with this, if the code that you entered is correct and has not been expired or used by someone else, then your code will be redeemed successfully. So, this is how you can redeem promo codes on Temu. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.